In this video, I'm going to explain the meaning of all Xfinity Gateway lights and how to troubleshoot common issues based on what you see. A solid white light means your gateway is online and working normally. If it's blinking white, the gateway is starting up or trying to connect to the network. Give it a few minutes. A solid red light means there's no internet connection. Check your coaxial and power cables, then restart the gateway. If the light stays red, check for service outages in the Xfinity app. A blinking orange light means the gateway is updating its firmware. This process can take several minutes. Don't unplug it during this time. A solid blue light indicates the gateway is in WPS pairing mode. If you didn't press the WPS button, it might have been triggered accidentally. Wait for it to time out or restart the gateway. A blinking green light means the gateway is trying to establish a downstream connection but hasn't completed it yet. Check your coaxial cable for tightness and damage, then reboot. No light at all usually means the gateway is powered off or not receiving electricity. Make sure the power cord is securely connected and the outlet is working. For troubleshooting, always start by restarting your gateway through the Xfinity app or by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Check the cables for secure connections, remove any splitters, and test another coaxial outlet if possible. If the issue matches the light status and persists after these steps, contact Xfinity support for further help. Knowing these light patterns lets you quickly diagnose issues and keep your internet running smoothly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.